This foil art and crafts set is a fun and creative activity for kids. The kit includes everything kids need to create colorful and shiny pictures, including foil sheets, an 8-color crayon, and a wooden stick. The foil cards and coloring pages feature beautiful flower designs such as roses, cherry blossom, sunflowers, tulips, daisies, lilies, lavender, peonies, and more. It is so easy to use. Simply peel the sticker areas and press the foil on top. Shiny and colorful artwork appears like magic. Kids enjoy choosing different colors and foils to bring every flower to life. This activity helps build focus and creativity. It also encourages imagination and hands-on fun. The coloring pages are a nice extra activity. Kids can color them with crayons, markers, or colored pencils. The paper is nice and sturdy, so it doesn't tear easily. Colors show up bright and smooth on the pages, and children feel proud of their finished artwork and love to show it off. Parents will appreciate how simple and tidy this activity is. The set is great for quiet time at home. It also works well for travel, classrooms, or parties. It's a wonderful way to keep kids busy while they create something beautiful. Kids stay happily engaged from start to finish. The coloring flower pictures are a wonderful way for children to explore different colors and experiment with their creativity. Each flower design is clear and easy to color, allowing kids to bring their own artistic vision to life. Overall, this foil art and crafts set is a fun, creative, and engaging activity that kids will love. The flower designs are beautiful and cheerful, and each picture looks bright and joyful. I would definitely recommend it as a fantastic art set that inspires creativity, keeps kids happily engaged for hours, and allows them to create beautiful, colorful, and sparkling artwork they can be proud of.